Okay, so then come down, bend the knees, feet hip width, knees hip width. Okay, arms beside you. So imagine you have a yoga block between the knees. If you actually have one, you can even put that between the knees. So imagine you're squeezing this yoga block between the knees. Then push your feet into the floor, lift up, lift as high as you can. And stay. So strong legs, strong feet. Press the feet more. Keep squeezing the yoga block. Breathe, lift the high, strong legs. Okay, come down. Okay, now just sort of roll your neck side to side. Just make your neck really loose. Okay, we do that again. Okay, I said neck, not the knees. Okay, now, so push the feet into the floor. Okay, lift up. So remember the yoga block between the knees, go up. Okay, so once you're up high enough, then think about putting more weight on one shoulder and see if you can bring the other shoulder in a little bit towards the spine. Do the same. So bring your weight more to the other shoulder and try to bring the other shoulder closer to the spine. Okay, then see if you can interlock the fingers under you. Okay, so if you can, then interlock, then lift your chest high. So maybe you notice the shoulders are under you. You won't have this shoulder position in the shoulder stand. Okay, come down.